I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. I plan on making more tutorials, but I also want to start streaming sometime this month, so maybe drop me a follow and hang out. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I hollow out all my 3D models for 3D printing. This is just a head I'm going to turn into a figure. So to start, I go to Edit and Make Solid, because it's got a few different pieces to it, and those pieces will make the mesh weird when we go to hollow it out. I'm going to increase the solid accuracy and the mesh density to 512, and I'm going to hit Update, and that'll fix the model looking really low quality. After it takes a minute to load, the model looks good again, and we can hit Accept on these changes. Now, I'm going to duplicate this so I can show you two different ways of putting holes in the model. I'm going to move the second version of the head over here, and I'm going to move the first one over here. Now we have two solid heads. I'm going to take the first one and go to Edit, Hollow. Now, if you see the mesh looks bad again, that's just on the inside. You won't see that. The wall's a little bit thin, so I'm going to increase the offset density to 4 millimeters and update hollow. That's much better. I'm going to accept these changes. Now, in order to see that the model is actually hollow, we're going to go to Meshmix and select a shape. I'm going to make this shape 50 millimeters, but increase its height. I'm going to move it to where I want the hole to be on my model. And a very important step is to go to Edit and make this shape solid as well. And I'm just going to mirror it so it cuts the other head at the same time. Now, you won't have to do this if you're just working on a single model, but if you're working on models that are mirrored like this, you can combine them. And once combined, they'll cut at the same time. So once you have the model selected, make sure you select the models you want to cut first, then hold Shift and select the model that you want to do the cutting. Then click Boolean Difference and accept those changes. Now we have two different holes and two different models. The first one is the one that we hollowed out, and it has a consistent wall thickness throughout the entire model. The second one was solid that we just put a single hole through. I find it's a lot better to hollow out your models like this if you're doing any kind of resin printing or if you're printing with any kind of PLA or ABS because it just saves you material and makes the part lighter as well. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, there is no wrong way to make things as long as it's coming out the way you want it to.